do we whisper menopause like it's a secret? I'm here to break down the myths and share the beautiful reality. Ready to join me on this eye-opening adventure? Well, hello there, wonderful souls, and welcome back to Create the Best Me. Your go-to place where we celebrate the vibrant journey of midlife and beyond. I am your host, Carmen Hecox, and I am thrilled to have you here today because we're about to embark on an adventure, one that's as exhilarating as it is transformative. Yes, you may have guessed it. We're talking about menopause, but not in a way it's often portrayed. No, we're stepping into the hormonal theme park, where every ride, every twist and turn is a part of our collective journey. So grab your favorite cup of tea, get cozy, and let's dive into this together, shall we? Now, I know menopause can sometimes feel like a word loaded with misconceptions and myths. It's often whispered, sometimes with a tinge of apprehension or even dread. Why is that? When in reality, this phase is as natural as the sunrise, marking a significant transition in our lives. It's much more than the hot flashes or the sudden mood swings. It's a shared journey of rite of passage for women worldwide, and it holds the power to unite us in a profound way. Menopause deserves our attention because it's a testament to our strength, our resilience, and our ability to adapt and thrive. Across cultures, across continents, we're all in this together, experiencing this transition in our own unique ways, yet connected by a common thread. It's an opportunity to debunk the myths, to look beyond the stereotypes, and to embrace this phase not as an end, but as a bright beginning. As we navigate this change, it's essential to remember that menopause is not just a series of physical symptoms to be managed. It's a pivotal moment in our lives that calls for celebration. It's a time to reflect on our journey so far, to harness our wealth of knowledge and experience, and to pivot toward new dreams, new challenges, and yes, new joys. Embracing change, especially at this stage, requires courage, openness, and a dash of humor. It's about redefining what this phase means to us personally and collectively. It's about shedding any lingering fears or doubts and stepping into our power, our essence with grace and confidence. So as we delve deeper into understanding menopause, remember, this isn't just about weathering a hormonal storm. It's about embracing a new dawn, a chance to redefine and rediscover ourselves, to craft the most fulfilling chapters of our lives yet. And with that spirit of discovery and empowerment, let's explore why menopause is so much more than its physical manifestation and why it deserves our full attention and appreciation. Diving deeper into our adventure, let's unravel the enigma that menopause often seems to be. At its heart, menopause is about change, specifically the hormonal shift that marks the end of our reproductive years. This change is driven by a decrease in the production of hormones such as estrogen and progesterone in our ovaries. It's a natural part of aging, akin to hormonal experiences we experience during puberty. Yet this time, it's signaling a different kind of transformation. The science behind these hormonal shifts is fascinating, revealing how deeply interconnected our body systems are. As estrogen levels decrease, we might notice several physical and emotional changes. These include not just well-known hot flashes and night sweats, but also a variation in mood and sleep disturbance and changes in our metabolic and bone density. However, it's crucial to address the common symptom and misconception head on. For instance, while some women experience significant symptoms, others may go through menopause with minimal discomfort. There's a wide spectrum of experiences, and no single narrative can capture them all. This diversity in experience often leads to misconceptions such as the belief that menopause invariably leads to a decline in sexual health or vitality, which is not the case in every woman. Moreover, understanding the distinction between menopause and perimenopause is vital. Perimenopause is the transitional phase that leads up to menopause, characterized by fluctuating hormone levels that can last several years. Recognizing this period is crucial for managing symptoms effectively and embracing the change with knowledge and grace. As we move forward, embracing the waves of change requires actionable strategies and a holistic approach. Managing these symptoms of menopause isn't just about tackling individual issues. It's about adopting a lifestyle that supports our overall health, well-being during this transition. Lifestyle adjustments play a key role in symptoms management. Simple changes such as incorporating regular physical activities can have profound effects. Exercise not only helps manage weight and reducing the risks of osteoporosis, but it also improves mood and improves sleep quality. Diet is another cornerstone of navigating menopause gracefully. Emphasizing a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help manage symptoms. Certain foods rich in polyoestrogen like soy and flax seeds may offer natural symptom reliefs for some women. Additionally, staying hydrated and limiting the intake of caffeine and alcohol can help alleviate hot flashes and improve sleep. Holistic approaches include mindfulness and meditation can also play significant roles. These practices help manage stress, which can exacerbate menopausal symptoms. Engaging in mindfulness can improve our emotional well-being, helping us navigate the ups and downs with a more centered and calm perspective. Yet, it's important to recognize when to seek professional help. Consulting healthcare providers about symptoms can open up a range of treatment options, from hormonal replacement to medications and therapies tailored to individual needs. Healthcare professionals can also offer guidance on holistic and lifestyle approaches, ensuring a well-rounded strategy for managing menopause. As we explore these strategies and share stories from the journey, including insights from experts and women walking this path, we're reminded that navigating menopause is not just about coping with symptoms. It's about transforming our lives, embracing our health, and stepping into a phase of empowerment and renewal. Together, we're not just weathering a hormonal storm, we're sailing toward a new horizon, equipped with knowledge, support, and a community of women ready to redefine menopause as a vibrant beginning to the most fulfilling chapters of our lives. So let's continue this journey with openness, courage, and excitement for all the possibilities that lie ahead. Let's dive into the heartwarming, inspiring tales of the menopause journey, where real stories light the path for others, showcasing the power of transformation, resilience, and rebirth. First, let me share a bit of my own story. Menopause for me has been an enlightening journey. It's an opportunity for profound self-discovery and transformation. Like many events, we don't have control over menopause arrived on its own schedule, reminding me that while I can't control its onsets, I can control my response to it. This period has taught me to embrace change with positivity, to listen deeply to my body, and to see this as a chance to become the best version of myself. It's a transformation that's ongoing, filled with learning and growth. And I'm here to share every insight and positive revelation with you. Then there's the incredible story of Kathy Owen, who joined us in episode 46.
I am very happy to say that I've had very few menopause symptoms, and I'm in menopause now. But about 3 years ago, I took a certification that was all about menopause and how to balance hormones through exercise and fitness. And there's this method called the BEST method, and it has to do with bone density. It has to do with estrogen dominance.
Kathy isn't just a fitness trainer. She's a life coach who's passionately combined diet, exercise, and the power of having support groups to help women in midlife reclaim their health and vitality. Her holistic approach goes beyond physical fitness. It's about nurturing the mind and spirit, creating a comprehensive wellness journey that resonates deeply with many women navigating menopause. And let's not forget Kylie Hayes, who graced us in episode 48.
Just open the door and walk through past. So yeah, just no limiting beliefs. Just face the fear, open the door, walk through and enjoy it.
Her inspiring transition during midlife, Kylie took a bold step, shifting her career to pursue a path that truly lights her up. Leveraging her extensive business experience, she earned her coaching certificate and now guides women in the wine and beverage industry. Kylie's work involves helping these entrepreneurs set up efficient systems to streamline their businesses, showcasing the limitless possibility that awaits when we embrace change and pursue our passion with zeal. For those interested in discovering more about Kathy and Kylie's transformative work, I'll make sure to link those episodes in the show notes. Reflecting on these stories and the wealth of knowledge we've shared today, it's clear that menopause is not a problem to be solved, but a natural phase of life to be embraced. It's a testament to our strength, resilience, and capacity for growth. The journey through menopause, with its challenges and triumphs, underscores the importance of embracing lifestyle changes and holistic approaches for a balanced, healthy life. The power of lifestyle changes, whether it's through diet, exercise, mindfulness, or any combination thereof, cannot be overstated. These adjustments can significantly mitigate symptoms, enhance our quality of life, and empower us to navigate menopause with confidence and grace. Furthermore, the value of seeking support from friends, family, and professionals is immeasurable. Sharing our stories like Kathy and Kylie opens up dialogues, builds community, and reminds us that we're not alone. Whether it's turning to a healthcare provider for guidance, joining support groups, or simply having candid conversations with friends, the support system we cultivate can make all the difference. As we close this chapter of our journey today, remember, menopause marks not the sunset of our youth, but the dawn of new empowering era. It's a time ripe with opportunities for self-discovery, growth, and renewal. Let's step into this phase with open hearts and minds, ready to embrace the change and become the best versions of ourselves. Before we part ways today, I have a small request. If you found value in our conversation, if it sparked curiosity, or made you feel less alone on your journey, I'd be so grateful if you could subscribe to our show on your preferred podcast platform and YouTube. Your support means the world to us and helps us reach more wonderful souls navigating this vibrant journey of midlife and beyond. For additional information, resources, or to get today's transcript, please visit createthebestme.com/EP058. Your journey to embrace change and crafting the most fulfilling chapters of your life is just beginning. And we're here to support you every step of the way. And don't forget to join us next week as we will welcome Kelly Howard to the show. Kelly is a fitness consistency expert, author of Fit, Active, and Ageless for Life, and the host of Fit is Freedom podcast. Will be here sharing her expertise on staying fit in midlife. It's an episode you won't want to miss, especially if you're looking to embrace a healthier, more active lifestyle as part of your journey. Until then, keep dreaming big. Take care of yourself, and remember, you were beautiful, strong, and capable of creating the best version of yourself. Thank you for watching. Catch you next week. Bye for now.